Alright, what is up, you guys? I'll be going over today's trade recap from June 27th. Today's a Friday, so as we can see, here's the executions. We can see entry and exits. This is obviously on the paper account. I did take this on the funded, and I will be going over how I made all my money back from the loss yesterday. I was down $1,700 yesterday, and I made back like $2,500. So I'm up $1,200. I think out of these last 2 days, I can't remember if I took trades at the beginning of the week. I might have taken a loss, or I'm not completely sure, but regardless, I'm up on these last 2 days. I think, yeah, $1,200. So let's just get straight into it. I'm going to go ahead and honestly go over yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade was not, I'd say, the worst trade to have taken. Actually, this was on ES. But it was actually just disappointing, honestly. Okay, what are we doing? I'll go over it real quickly because there's really not much to cover. I'm just going to go ahead and start explaining what the trade was off of, okay? So, June 22nd, oh my God. I'm gonna just go ahead and scale into the 1 minute. So, we were obviously super bullish yesterday going into market open, right? So, as we can see right here, we start making another up move after getting a manipulation leg. We continue higher, and going into market open, I see that we had this leg right here, sweeping all of this low resistance liquidity. So I thought this was our manipulation leg to take out highs that we had all the way up here from a while ago. I'm not even gonna mark this out, you guys get the point. So I thought this was our manipulation leg. We consolidated like shit right here during market open. And what I wanted to see was, we had a 5-minute gap right here. I wanted to see this get closed above. So we closed above the gap, and I think it was right here that we closed. But yeah, we closed right here above the gap, waited for a retracement, entered with a good entry. I went long, okay, and we can see this candle right here stops us out. TGR actually took the exact same trade that I took. I got off the charts from here because I was very fucking pissed that I lost this much money off that one trade. But regardless, that's a trade from yesterday. It was just, I thought that was our manipulation leg. However, it wasn't. In fact, this was our manipulation leg to sweep all of this low resistance liquidity that we generated right here through this consolidation. And then we made an extension higher to take out all the highs that I wanted to see us take out. And so that's basically that, okay? Going into today's trade, I'm going to try to keep it quick and simple. We had all of this low resistance liquidity on NQ. I basically just targeted this high, I'm pretty sure. It was like a 1 hour high or something, okay? And if we scale down into the 1 hour, we can see that we take out one of the highs, okay? So we take out this high right here, we take out this high right here, and we can see we form a manipulation leg, right? We fill in all these gaps, we sweep this low resistance or liquidity right here, and then we just go up from there, right? I'm targeting the high that we have not yet taken out, which was this one, and we're probably going to continue taking out all these other highs, but I just simply took it off right here because I just wanted to take my profits, okay? So I basically just enter off a 5-minute inverse fair value gap, so we invalidate this 5-minute order flow. 5-minute bearish order flow right here, boom, I get a retracement on the 1 minute. We fill in a gap on the 1 minute right here. We respect it, get bullish closer, and I enter on the next candle. And I target the high that I was talking about, boom, done. Very good risk to reward. I'm very happy with the performance from today. Unfortunately, I didn't get the trade from yesterday. This was literally exactly the same thing that happened yesterday. I just traded pre-macro during a shit ton of consolidation on ES while NQ was going down like crazy. So it just wasn't the smartest trade to have taken yesterday, but regardless, both of these trades is on the idea formed between manipulation. I cannot emphasize it enough. Manipulation is, if not the most important, one of the most important concepts to understand, because when you understand manipulation, you understand order flow, and when you understand order flow, you understand daily bias, and when you understand daily bias, you can take trades like these because you're like, oh, we're going to go short, we're looking for shorts, we're going to get a retracement, then we're going to go short. No, the daily bias is obviously this one. This is our manipulation, this is our retracement, this is our extension. So if you can understand manipulation followed by extension, you understand order flow, you can identify our daily bias, and you can enter down here because you're expecting price to target this high, right? And so I would study it, I would back test it, because these last 3 weeks have been beautiful with market open, manipulation followed by an extension. And when you understand it, you're going to take trades like these. And obviously, this is after you understand all the concepts like fair value gaps, liquidity, order blocks, breaker blocks, everything, right? So yeah, that's just a trade recap from today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Join my